This week I'm going to try to start a clothing brand from scratch and hopefully scale to $1,000 without spending any money. I'll show you the whole process of designing, manufacturing, and advertising. Then at the end I'll reveal how much money I made. The first step to creating a successful clothing company is deciding what type of clothes you're gonna sell. This could be streetwear, merchandise for the disabled, gym clothes, or any other type of garment that is targeted to a specific group of customers. You need to focus down on an exact niche like Christian gym clothes, for example, because if your brand builds a connection to someone's morals or interests, they are more likely to buy from you instead of some mainstream brand like Nike. So first envision your ideal customer, then design clothing you know they would love to wear. I decided my niche is going to be snowboarders slash skiers because I know a lot about the average customer because I used to snowboard, plus the margins in winter apparel are amazing. You can get ski pants for $40 a pop and sell them for upwards of $200. That means if I made ski pants, I could potentially make $160 for every pair I sold. The only problem with that is I have no clue how to make ski pants. There's no print-on-demand service that allows you to design ski pants like you can for shirts, hoodies, hats, and other normal clothing. So I need to find a private supplier or partner with an existing brand that already makes high-quality ski pants. It's been 4 hours since I filmed that last clip, and after looking up suppliers on Google and reaching out to local ski brands, I finally got a hit. In 2019, I used to snowboard with this dude named Michael, and it turns out 5 years later, he owns his own snowboarding pants brand. Hence, I reached out to him, and he said he's down to do a collab piece using his supplier. So we're gonna hop on a call right now, design the pants, then hopefully tomorrow I'll have a rough draft to show y'all. It is now tomorrow, and I'm happy to say we didn't just finish the rough draft, we finished the final draft. The design we came up with was this money tree that was based off Michael's other style of pants, the cherry blossoms. It has a similar overall design, but instead of some pretty flowers, we created dollar bills that say El Ski on them, and the tree design is now a white reflective material that will shine at night. This material will allow our pants to stand out from other brands, which will build more hype for the drop and hopefully result in a lot of sales. And speaking of increased sales, it's super common for skiers to buy a top piece of clothing to match their pants. So I'm gonna take advantage of that and try to design a hoodie or puffer to sell alongside the El Ski bottoms. This could drastically increase our profit margins and allow me to reach the $1,000 goal significantly faster. So I'm gonna drive home right now, then start working on the top piece. Alright, I got home an hour ago, and in that hour I designed 2 potential top pieces to sell with the pants. First is this puffer jacket that has the money tree duplicated down the arm with the El Ski dollar bill on the collar, and second is this hoodie, which I personally prefer, that has the El Ski money logo on the front with the tree on the arm. These both complement the pants perfectly, so I'm sure many skiers who purchase the pants will also buy a hoodie. And since most skiers slash snowboarders post Instagram edits of their tricks, we'll get a bunch of free marketing, and the riders will be able to rizz up hella snow bunnies by wearing our sick fits. It's a win-win situation. We get money, they get hoes. That sounded like a rap lyric. Anyway, we just ordered the hoodies and 2 sample pair of pants so we can ensure the quality is good before selling them. You should always do this because if it turns out the quality is bad, you will not only ruin your brand's reputation, but you will also lose money from refund fees. So if you want to start a clothing brand or sell any product in general, always order samples first. And while I wait for my samples to come in, I need to come up with a marketing strategy. My plan for marketing the El Ski X Flu snow pants is to organically promote them on social media via snowboard trick edits and photo slideshows. I've seen loads of small brands utilize this strategy on TikTok lately, and some of those brands were able to scale their clothing sales from a few $100s to hundreds of thousands of dollars only using TikTok. And since I have over 1 billion views on videos I've scripted, filmed, and edited myself, I don't see any reason why I couldn't outperform those other companies. The only thing I am slightly worried about is that our niche is super small. It's not like some random person could see our pants on TikTok, think they're sick, then buy them for everyday use. Only snowboarders slash skiers would actually purchase our pants. And unfortunately, this isn't normally a problem I would have to deal with because I would just run targeted paid ads to our ideal customers, but since the challenge is to spend $0 on promotion, I can't take advantage of that method. So we're just gonna have to hope the social media algorithm promotes our content content to people who ride down mountains, or that the print-on-demand hoodies I ordered will be sick enough for an average Joe to buy one. And speaking of print-on-demand, if y'all want to start a clothing brand in the easiest way possible without spending loads of money on upfront bulk orders that you aren't guaranteed to sell, you should use the sponsor of today's video, AutoDS. AutoDS's print-on-demand service allows you to put any design you want on high-quality shirts, hoodies, crop tops, pants, and tons of other things. Plus, their shipping times are great, so you don't have to worry about angry customers asking where their orders are like you would using a typical POD service. Right now, AutoDS is offering a free 30-day trial for anyone who signs up with the link in my description. So make sure you take advantage of that when you start your first or next clothing brand. I'll check in with y'all once the samples get here. The samples have officially arrived. One of them's pretty good and the other one sucks. The bad one was this puffer jacket that the site promised was black with black zippers and cuffs, but now seeing it in person, you can clearly tell the zipper and cuffs are blue and the puffer itself ain't even black. To say the least, I'm never ordering from that trash POD company again, and I hope this incident makes you realize you need to always order samples before you sell anything. Because if a customer bought this, it would feel like you going on a Tinder date with a supposed 5'2" Latina and a whale with too much makeup shows up. But at least the hoodie version is pretty nice. It's actually black and the design came out in good quality. So I'm gonna take some marketing photos and videos of me wearing this hoodie tonight, which I'll put on the screen right now so you can see them as I'm talking. Then tomorrow I'm gonna go to a ski resort with Michael and film with the pants. We're on the ski lift right now. We both got the pants on, I got the hoodie on, and now we're gonna get some marketing material and hopefully get a lot of sales.
Yeah, walk to the bank with 100 stack. I'm addicted to money. Crash the coat off the juice. Yeah, my cup was so muddy.
We just got tons of marketing videos so far, and Michael is about to try the flip off of this rail. Do a literal front flip for one of the videos that will hopefully go viral and get us more sales on the pants. So let's see if we can do it. Oh. Unfortunately, Michael broke his board trying that flip, so he ended up filming me do tricks for the rest of the day. During that time, we got loads of gorgeous shots, watched a skier ride a snowboarder, and met up with a YouTuber named Matt Digi who said he loved the pants. And now that we have everything we need to release the pants, it's time to come up with the best way to release them. This is normally done by building hype on social media where you say your product is limited and will release at an exact time on a specific day, because doing that typically results in a lot more sales, so that's what we're gonna do. And another way to potentially increase your sales is by using the sponsor of today's video, .store domains. .store domains has been proven by a 12-month study to drive 87% more traffic to your website, resulting in a 12% lower cost per conversion, and increase your online store search visibility by 2 times. Plus, the .store domain helps your website stand out from the usual bad quality or super long .com domains. Mr. Beast uses .store to sell millions of dollars of clothing, Rihanna uses .store to sell her merch, Discord uses .store to sell all their products, and right now you can get your own .store domain for 99 cents for the first year by going to www.get.store and using code Logan, or by clicking the link in my description. Right now I'm going to call Michael to finalize our plan, then I'll reveal the results 24 hours after launching. Michael and I made the executive decision to release the Cherry Blossom pants instead of the L Ski pants, and in the first 24 hours of launching, we made $1,599.54. We assumed the L Ski pants would receive similar sales, but since it's the end of the ski season, we didn't want to launch 2 new pant variants at the same time. So technically, we did beat the challenge of 1K in 1 week, but if y'all want a part 2 of us releasing the L Ski pants next season, comment below and subscribe to see it. And in the meantime, you can watch this video where I teach you the 20 best side hustles to start as a teenager. Thank you for watching, and God bless.